Hey guys, this is Daniel Chinchilla and I'm a celebrity beauty artist. One of my favorite looks to do is winged eyeliner, and who better to inspire us than Kobe, the insta-famous cat with naturally perfect wings. Tattoo liner is my go-to liquid liner because the actual tip's really thin and you're able to get a really precise line. Always line with a purpose. Envision and know where you're going with the eyeliner before you actually start. So while doing your eyeliner at home, start off with one little quick swipe towards the end of your eyebrow, and then as you bring the wing inward, do it in 1 or 2 longer swipes, and just fill those in. You're able to control how thin you make your line depending on how much pressure you apply. And with extreme long wear, I can trust tattoo liner to last all day without touching up. No cat eye is complete without big voluminous lashes, so I'm going to use Go Big or Go Home. Don't forget to share your cat eye look with us on Instagram using the hashtag #TattooLiner.